Alright, how my champion is doing. When it plays right here. I believe this is the taste of the AV. Alright, so, you know, gonna check them out. Right here they have a car show set up on the outside. See a lot of the Corvettes right here. We're gonna take a quick little tour around, see what's going on, and then we'll check out what's going on the inside. Alright. So that's how we're gonna play this one right here. So we'll make sure that we're fully covered and we'll get the party started. So right here we have the soft top, drop top Corvettes, right? Real clean, right? How everything is set up, right? You know, thing looks good, how it should. Things are set up pretty nice, right? As it should be. So, you know, we're just gonna make our way around. And we're gonna go on the inside. Right. Well, the patio area really, and then go all the way on the inside. Right. Pretty nice cars, right? See the yellow one right here. Right. It's like a burgundy type color. Pretty nice, right? So we'll take a lap all the way around. Right. Drop top right here, pretty smooth. Right. Let's go around now.
I might have a prescription.
How you doing?
Blessed, how about yourself?
Hey, what's up?
Blessed, how about yourself?
All right, brother.
All right, all right.
Not bad.
All right. As we see, right? You know, everything's set up with these Corvettes. Right. And as you see right here, they have the lowriders, right? See the Lincoln Town Car right there. We see the Cadillac right there. Alright. Another town car. Alright. The Silverado truck. Right. Classic Chevy. I believe an Impala. Hardtop Impala right here. The Dayton's on there. Hardtop Chevy right here. It's a pretty good car show. All right. Continue everything as it goes. Step around everybody. Everybody their proper space to operate as we should. So the town cars, lowriders, Corvette right there. Right. And we see the food trucks. Right. Set up pretty smooth right here. As it should be. As you see, more Corvettes right here. A lot of Corvettes. As you see this one with the custom doors and everything. People really take their cars serious, as they should. You know, it's all about whatever you're into. Make the most of that. Enjoy your life. However you do that best, or what situation makes sense to you for that. You execute off of that angle. And you live the life that you feel and know is best for you, right? That's how you handle that and move forward, right? So go ahead. Make a right here.
See what you doing? Oh, it's their turn to go get food. Oh, let me go tell. Okay. It was Chinese, but
Check everything out. Continue. Continue to come up right here. All right. Continue to check out these Corvettes, right? Real smooth, real smooth. Blessed about yourself. Right. See everybody, you know, living their best lives, being positive. That's how it should be. That's how it should be. Being positive is how you should be. Be as positive as possible. Alright? That's what you want. You know? Be fully positive, fully engaged. Whatever it is that you love doing. See your food trucks out. As it should be. Inside, check everything out.
Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The Champions Playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.